Welcome back to the channel. Today we're focusing on a truly vital piece of equipment that's absolutely non-negotiable for protecting our oceans, the Oily Water Separator, or OS. Let's dive into its crucial function. Ships accumulate what's called bilge water from various sources: machinery leaks, spills, gland leakages, and condensation. This water inevitably mixes with oil. International maritime regulations, specifically MARPOL, strictly limit the amount of oil that can be discharged into the sea, usually to 15 parts per million, ppm or less. The OWS's primary function is to clean this oily bilge water down to acceptable limits, preventing harmful oil pollution and ensuring the ship complies with environmental laws. Operationally, an OWS typically works on the principle of gravity separation, sometimes aided by coalescing filters. Operationally, an OWS typically works on the principle of gravity separation, sometimes aided by coalescing filters. Oily bilge water is first pumped into a primary separation chamber where larger oil particles, being less dense, rise to the top and are skimmed off. The partially cleaned water then flows to a secondary chamber, often containing coalescing filters. These filters encourage smaller oil droplets to combine into larger ones, which then rise more easily. The separated oil is sent to a sludge tank, while the cleaned water passes through an oil content monitor, OCM. The OCM continuously measures the oil concentration. If the oil content is below the legal limit, the water is discharged overboard. If it's too high, an automatic valve diverts the water back to the bilge or a holding tank for reprocessing. Maintenance is paramount. First, regularly clean or replace filters, primary filters, coalescing filters, and the OCM's sample line filter. Clogged filters are the most common cause of poor performance. Check for any leaks in pipes, pumps, and valves. Ensure all valves, especially the three-way discharge recirculation valve, are operating correctly and are not bypassing the system. Calibrate the oil content monitor regularly as per manufacturer guidelines and keep its sensing cell clean. Check the pump for unusual noises or vibrations. Inspect and clean the separation chambers periodically, removing sludge and debris. Ensure the heating system, if fitted, is working to improve oil separation efficiency. Always use the correct type of replacement filters and spare parts. Maintain accurate oil record book entries for all operations. Any sign of oil in the overboard discharge, even a sheen, indicates a problem requiring immediate investigation. So there you have it, a quick but comprehensive look at onboard oily water separator, their crucial function, operation, and the vital importance of proper maintenance. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more maritime insights. Thank you.